Welcome back dear students. So in our today's video we will start practice set 1.1 from paper 1 of mathematics class 9. So here let's start. First question is write the following sets in a roster form. So dear students, we have seen that we can write down the set in a two methods. So here we have to write down these following set in a roster form. So here in this first question we have to write down sets in a roster form. So in a roster form we will list all the elements of that set. The first is a set of even natural numbers. So we know that suppose A is a set and we will start curly bracket and we have to write down set of even natural numbers. So we know that even natural numbers will start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Like this is gonna be infinite. So we'll give here infinite like this and we will close it. So this is a roster form of even natural numbers. Next is we have to write down set of even prime number. From 1 to 50. So now we have to write down set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. We know that prime numbers are the numbers which have two factors, exactly 1 and itself. So again it's gonna be even prime number. So there is only one set. Suppose the set is B. We want to write down even prime, so there is only one such element which is 2. So 2 is such a number which is even and as well as prime within this range 1 to 50. Next we have to write down set of negative numbers, or you can say negative integers. Suppose the set is C. Set name we will give by the capital letter and its element we will indicate by small letters. In roster form we are writing listing. So set of negative integers. So negative numbers are -1, there can be -2, -3 and so on. So like this you can give. These are infinite sets. Next we have 7 basic sounds of a sargam. That is, you want to write down here surs. So suppose the D is gonna be set of the sargam, or you can take any alphabet here. So there are the sa, re, again ga, ma, and then can be pa, dha, ni, sa. Okay. So these are the 7 surs of the 7 basic sounds of a sargam. So dear students, we have written these sets in a roster form which will give the listing of all the elements in a curly bracket separated by commas. And if the elements are repeated, we will omit that and will write down the repeated element once. So now the next question is write the following symbolic statements in a words. Given here 4/3 belongs to Q. So here 4/3. So we will write down in the words here like this. 4/3 is an element of Q. This symbol indicates that this particular element belongs to this set. So here we have written 4/3 is an element of Q. And here this is the symbol not belongs or not an element. So we will write down here -2 is not an element of the given set N. So -2 is not an element of the set N because this symbol is of not belongs and this is of belongs. And here P is a such set that where this element small p is an odd number. So we can write down set P is a set of all p's such that this vertical line is such that P is an odd number. So this set P is a set of all the p's such that this P is gonna be odd number. This vertical line indicates such that. So means here we are giving the unique property to define this particular set P. Next question is write any two sets by listing method or by the rule method. So you can give example of any set here. The next one is write the following set using listing method. All the months in an Indian solar system. So we know that we have a Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha. Like this, all elements we will write by separated by commas and we'll give them in a bracket. Letters in the word complement. So we know that suppose we'll give this letter as a B and we'll write down here complement COMPLENT. Curly bracket close. So these all we'll write down here. Set of human sensory organ in a listing method. Suppose it's gonna be C. We have a sensory organ nose, ears, eyes, and then we have a tongue. Then we have skin, largest sensory organ. So in this way we have listed all these sensory organs separated by comma. Then we have to write down set of prime number from 1 to 20. Suppose the set is gonna be D. So we'll write down here prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and then 19. Till 20 we have to ask. Then names of the continents in the world. So we know that there are continents. Suppose you will give this name F. There can be Asia, there can be Africa. Like this we'll write down North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So in this way you have to list these elements separated by comma. Then the next question is, here also you have to write down the method, all the months in an Indian solar system. Suppose this is gonna be A. So you need to write down here the months Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha. Like this you will write down separated by comma. Then next write the following set using a rule method. So in the rule method we'll write down here like here A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 80, 100. So if you observe these all are the perfect squares. So A is a such set which is a perfect square. So you can write down A is having the element x suppose such that we'll define this x property as x is equal to n square. Here n is gonna be a number, natural number. N belongs to capital N. N is a natural number and it is less than or equal to 10. So you can give here comma. Here also give comma. We'll write down n. Here 10 square. Till 10 square it is there. 10 square is 100. So n is less than equal to 10. And the bracket close. So here we have written this by using rule method. This is in listing method. We have written this in property rule method. We have defined set A is such a set where its element x is a perfect square, belongs to the natural number, and n is less than equal to 10. Then the set B is a 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. These are the multiples of 6. So we can write down suppose set B is set a set where this element x is a 6n. 6n means 6 multiplied by the natural number 1. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are like this, means 6 into n. Again your n is here a natural number, so n belongs to capital N. And till 6 8s are 48 we have taken. So n is less than 9. N is less than 9 because here 6 8s are 48 I have taken, that's why this property will write down. Then C is smile here. So you can write down C is such a set where suppose this X is a letter. These are the letters of the word smile. Letter in the word smile. So SMILE, these are the letters of the word smile. Then D is a set of all the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you can write on this D is a set of suppose element Y such that Y is a day of the week. So simple. And then next, X is such a set which have only 3 elements, A, E, T. So you can write down X is a set of, suppose element X is a letter in the word. We can make T here, we can make it here in the word T, or you can say these words can make it also. So these 3 elements belongs to the word T or it. So we have defined the set X such that X is a letter in the word T or it.